Hey everybody, Don Dabney, how's it going? And thanks for checking out this really cool 86 Volkswagen Westfalia bus. This thing runs great, tons of power, lights work, horn works, blinkers work, wipers work, stereo, the heater, I don't know if you can hear it going on. I'm not using my good mic today, so sorry if it's kind of, not as great as it sounds. Basically, everything in this thing works, all the gauges, and it just runs and drives great. So let's take a little spin. Shifting feels good. It drives nice and straight. The suspension feels great. Upgraded stereo system in it, and the system in it that works fine, and just a really nice bus. And as we go in here and downshifts just perfectly well. There you go. It's just a really nice bus, a really good, solid feeling bus, been really well taken care of, and should serve its next owner for a super long time. Give us a call if you have any questions. All my info's up on my website. Check us out on all the usual social media places. Our YouTube channel has now exceeded 6.5 million views, so that's kind of fun. And be sure to check me out on Wheeler Dealers on a couple of episodes there, and a third one coming. All right, thanks for coming by and checking out this great Westfalia bus. All right, so let's head under the Westy. It's got a really nice undercarriage. It doesn't look like it's ever been detailed or cleaned or anything, but it's very honest. And of course the engine I think has 67,000 miles on it, so it's in good shape.
Everybody's here. Everything is fine. Let's all just unwind.